Hey girlfriends, hey girlfriends, hey girlfriends, hey girlfriends, hey. Okay. So as promised, I'm coming back and I'm sharing this really quick style. So basically after my box braids, I said, I was crazy for doing that first off with the toddler. And the next style that I did, I was making sure that it wasn't gonna take 103 years. So I did these passion twists and it was so quick. I wanna say it took a total of like 2.5 hours. I did stop, but merging all of that time in of doing my hair, a solid 2.5. So yeah, this is it. I ordered my hair from Amazon because anytime I went to the stores, this was 6 weeks ago, because I only did my braids because they were acting like they didn't know what the heck I was talking about when I was asking for like passion twist hair or like the like bohemian crochet hair. They act like they didn't know what they were talking about or what I was talking about. And when I walked around the store myself just to like see, like I didn't see nothing, okay? So that's why I settled and I did the braids, which happened to be a really pretty style. But I'm so happy that I was able to find this hair on Amazon. So I only bought one pack of hair. The pack of hair came with like 6 bundles inside, and I want to say it was like around $30 something. I'm gonna leave the exact hair that I got down below. They had a lot of color options, which was good, but I really love a good ombre. I saw the ombre and I said, give me, okay? I love ombre. This is the 18-inch hair. I was actually really surprised because it still goes down to like my butt, and that's another thing. I was like, this time around I want shorter twists, but they're still really long. So the hair is 18 inches long, and doing it was a breeze actually. I know that there are a lot of different ways to do these twists, but I'm just like, you know what, I don't even like putting rubber bands in my hair. I saw the rubber band method and, you know, using the crochet hook to glide the hair through. I didn't even want to do all of that. So what I did, I just braided the top. Some people may call it the lazy way, but I call it the make it do what it do to make do with you. I call it the easy way, okay? So I did it the easy way, just braiding the top and just twisting, and I twisted all the way down. There's no need for dipping the ends with this hair. No need for any of that. Honestly, I was a little bit lazy with like my parting, so I have like big parts and little parts. I really had no direction. I just know that I didn't want to deal with my natural hair, so it had to get done and finished on that day, okay? I didn't want to deal with my own hair at all. So, like, yeah, I was like, I did like 4 chunky ones in the back, and I used basically all in the back of my hair. I used 3 pieces of the hair, and then when I got to the top, there are some where I used only like mostly in the front, I used only 2 pieces of the hair, so it's smaller. And then like in the middle of my head, like where I got these big old dookie braids, your girl used like 4 of them. So I was just making do with whatever, you know what I mean? I was just doing what I wanted to do. I feel like that's the fun part of doing your own hair. You can kind of do what you want to do, and maybe I'm crazy, but I like it when there's like big twists and little twists, or like big braids and little braids. It adds visual interest. Like, I don't want things to always be even. Like, it bugs the heck out of me when things are even. Some things, I like some things to be even. But for hair, I think it's all about just having fun and creating a look that's unique to you. So people ask me all the time to count my braids. They want to know how much I have in my hair. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 40, 41, 42. It's an even number. I hope that's oddly satisfying to some of you guys. Somebody commented in my last video because I said that I had like 117 braids, and she was like, oh my God, it would bug me if I had an odd number. We would have to like take away or add. I'm like, girl, I don't even worry about that. This is a really light style. It's a lot lighter than my singles that I did 6 weeks ago. It's really light. It's really light. And I've just been wearing it down for the most part. I have worn it like back in like a low pony, which is also really cute, but I feel like this is a style that I will do again. Like, I'll take it down and I'll put it right back in because it's just so like easy breezy. I'll even do like bigger sections. I think I may try it with the rubber bands and do like bigger sections and create like a fun, like chic, like cute parting. And I'll probably use like 6 pieces of the hair and do like some really cute, like chunky twists. I think that would look really good and put on some really nice like hair jewels. That's another thing. This time around, I didn't use any hair jewels, like no hair jewels. I felt like the ombre alone is just so pretty, so I just let it be. What else? Oh, the products. So I was trying to figure out what would be the best product to use. Now, I saw a lot of women using, what do you call it? Edge control to do it. So I was like, like I'm not the biggest fan of edge control. So I went to, I tried to use it in the back, and I'm just like, I don't like the way that this feels, like putting edge control all through the length of my hair. It just feels really gross. And I just personally don't like it. I'm not passing judgment at anybody who used edge control because y'all hair was looking cute. I just didn't like the way that it felt in my hair. So I ended up using Honey Baby Naturals. I think it's their Hold It Honey hair gel, and that stuff holds, it gives you a crazy hold. Like I used it on the root and then a little bit throughout my hair. And then I also used the mousse while I twisted. I didn't really see a lot of people actually twisting with the mousse. It seems like they use the mousse as more of like a finishing product, but I went ahead and I used it to twist as well, and I feel like it kind of helped to you know, keep my own hair in the twist. So you see, like, you don't really see my own hair sticking out too crazy. Like you can see it's like the fuzzies, but it's not crazy. I don't think it looks bad at all. When it came to this style, I was a little bit worried. I felt like a lot of the passion twist pictures and videos that I saw, it was it kind of gave that look like as if you would need to like blow out your hair or straighten your hair before doing it. It just seemed like more of like a sleek style. Even when I look at my hair, I don't feel like I did like passion twists. I don't feel like it looks like the other passion twists that I've seen. So I don't even know if this is quite the hair, or maybe it's the way that I twisted it that makes it not look like all of the other videos that I saw. I'm really happy with the way that it looks, but I don't think it looks like what I saw. And I don't know if it's because of my my type 4 hair or what, because I wanted to make sure I twisted it like nice and tight together because I didn't want my hair like popping all out. That's why I was also considering to do the spring twist, since the spring twist hair is a lot tighter. I thought that maybe that would work out better, but I ended up getting this hair and it works out perfectly. I think it looks really good. I'm hoping to get, when I wear my twists, I really just get like 3 to 4 weeks out of them. I don't feel like twists last as long as braids do, but we'll see, because I think that twists are more forgiving when your hair begins to grow out and gets a little bit fuzzy, because I feel like it kind of looks a little bit more like your own hair. Kind of like faux locks, you know, they get better with age, and I don't feel like braids are a style that get better with age. They need to be nice and like neat and clean. But so maybe I can get like another 5 weeks out of this, because I ended up only wearing my singles for 5 weeks because the new growth was wild. So yeah, that's that. I feel like I've covered basically everything about the hair. I'm trying to think. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. I really try to make it a point to respond to each and every comment, or if I don't respond, I like to interact in some way and give it a heart, give it a like, and all of that good stuff. But any questions that you may have, drop them down below. If I don't know the answer off top, girl, we gonna figure it out together, okay? So that's about it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and checking out this video. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give this video a like if you would like to see more videos or videos like this, or even maybe like some styling videos on this hair. But I don't really do that much when it comes to my protective style, so maybe no styling videos. I don't know, maybe I'll show my little turbans and we'll do some hair wrap videos. Maybe let me know down below in the comments if you'd be interested in something like that. So thanks so much for watching. Until next time, I wish you nothing but love. Bye.